Okay, so I finished installing the roll bar lights, or the ROPS lights. Now these are the factory Kubota lights for the BX series. Comes with the instruction manual. These are pretty simple to install. And let's see here. It's a nice clean install. They've got some nice heavy duty brackets. And the wires just run right along the back of the roll bar here. They give you a little bit extra wire here so you can fold the ROPS down. Just runs down there. Nice. You got a little relay that mounts right here, tucked in behind the turn signal. And the wiring just comes out at the bottom of the bracket here and pretty much just plugs in. What I like about these is there's no extra switches you have to mount. Each light has its own switch on the back of the light, so you don't have to drill anything or do any extra wiring or worry about where to mount any auxiliary switches. So now we'll just wait till it gets dark and we'll see how these things work. Now if you own one of the BXs or don't, one of the problems that you have is with the factory headlights. They sit down low here, and so if you're trying to drive with the bucket up at any normal level, they just shine right into the back of the bucket and you can't see where you're going, and they don't light things up very well. So we'll see what kind of a difference it makes tonight with the new lights installed. Okay, so it's December out and it gets dark pretty early, so if I want to do anything after work, I got to have the lights on. And as you can see, with just the headlights on, they shine right into the back of the bucket, which makes it really hard to see anything out past the front of the tractor, unless you got the bucket raised way up or way down low. You can't really see much past the bucket. So this is what it looks like with just the headlights on. And then this is what it looks like with the overhead lights, or the ROPS lights, turned on. There's one, and there's two. And you can see that gives us a whole lot more light. And I can see out a lot farther than just what the camera angle is showing. So this is a whole lot more light out here. So that's going to make a huge difference when trying to do anything at night. Let me get off the tractor here and I'll see if we can see what it looks like. With the lights on. Now there's the lights up above, the headlights. And you can kind of see the area there. Like I said, you can see a lot more than what it shows in just the camera angle. But there's what it looks like with the overhead lights on. And then with the overhead lights off. Again, back on. So that's going to make a nice difference. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure and like the video and subscribe for future videos. And in the comments below, let me know what you think about the video. I know I've seen some posts where some other guys have put some LED lights on there. Let me know what you think, how these compare to the LEDs. If you have any questions about the BX or any other videos you'd like to see on the BX, let me know. Okay, thanks for watching.